me visual echo. Ya bwana nkoso be kwa nti. Se nyame ya adom na se ne ba to take over. Anase nya Ghana na bia so tumi ye de oya. No man na so say sika e dey. E de akoboa no. Can you imagine pass nka your time 97 million.
Ebusan for mama wakwa ba Ebra Ghana SMTVGH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification so that anytime I do video bit say way edit to ma usambe timi akabi. Ebusan for conversation be echo so social media no so about Apostle Safo Kantaka. One of the stalwart of Ghana. And they said he's going to be with the Lord. But semba kumi nubi echo so social media no so kire say ebi bebre kofo bebre ka say ase Ghana no we have not been fair to Apostle Kwadwo Kantaka esan say the way support na ka say onya free Ghana for and I say aban ho no wanye bi and that is why the brand Kantaka vehicles no I say it has not done so well and blah 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 blah. Now that conversation with the ideally, I would have just left it go slide because I mean, for opinions. But I believe, say certain record no straight. No currently say, Apostle Kantaka no. Where I mean, he got a lot of help. I mean, from NPP government and the Ukraine. On a lot of assistance from NPP government, any business. I mean, back 2019 and government no sa 10-year proposal be tax exemption proposal obekaya oman bia ne wa as a business buying be more 10-year tax exemption plan e be intansi but because of the way now MPP value now mudima private sector especially say Ghana ni etimi ye car entina MPP and Akufo Addo NPP, yes, sir. But Munimia very, very much intriguing. And he said, sometimes brand management is very important. Now, I'm not in any way seeking to, take away what that man has done, the contribution to Ghana away. But there are certain things that I felt say, and basically wrong with Apostle's business. And he said, exhibitions, sir. Nema bia say exhibiting no. Udwin wa won ti ase. Esan say wokoye car bia car no ase ye plane no say ye car na car no so etimi tu. Etimi fa ye kwan so. Akwan na ye wo Ghana etimi fa so. But government aban so more tax exemption. Tax exemption aban the more so that you can employ more people, you can produce cheaper goods. Now, say goods are all the tax exemption no create obi antimi turn into ontimi use ya. In fact, so ben also. Okay. Now again, what you mean say his children, you expect say obi a manufacture car no, your children will be using your cars, but Zaro Felix Muni others they can go and do a video of the tour of the child who is even the head, the CEO of the company. Nifie now who say Bugatti Woho and do other vehicles Kantaka brand. How do you expect Obi a third party say who use papa car me na maybe use? Okay, ni ba oye more parliament now or she Lexus mo and I say Toyota V8 mo. When how do you expect Obi a third party to go and enjoy it? And I believe say Ebia NDC government na nyehwe efa Apostles brand no, but MPP there all the chance and privileges that say yema Ghana near or yet those kind of things no, I believe say MPP has indeed done its best for Apostle. We are commiserating with the family. Rest in peace to Apostle. His legacy still lives on. Video is up next. Unim say before then Sir Solomon Owusu onu na mama be ya no because on say Solomon Owusu or now or your propaganda or I think Angel TV about the whole thing is Solomon the guy no a bitter, very very bitter because SMBC na idea politics so very very bitter now. It's all be advice no because our movement for change our question on him say there is nothing ahead of him. Politically the political career is dead. Now Solomon knows it. His political career is dead, is truncated. And I believe said that is the kind of pay that is in it. Or we she said I can bet me NDC, but unfortunately for him, video is up next.
$1 here Akufo Addo kutu amene edema Kantaka said their swasin
on fanye manufacturing
and I pudu ye ko hu Sicily ada pampasi o man jeman no so on fan to aso and now the 750 million ya ye koje se de be ye pokwase kwan ya sikaya san kwan ye nwie ye and ye pony bi man say apostle fadi udwuma and as a containers ya kesi ayira o ECG ya ye hu be bia fa ya ye ka tire sika pudu ayira o ECG and ye pon ho fa e de ma okay and Ghana a national service for year yes about 548 de bia ye hu fufuri and anka say sika bi ko di apostle ho can you pad do obefom can you imagine say it me the 2 billion ko share napko ade bia on foundation builders corp na apostle ko Joseph Tio Bosome bia na yebetua graduate Obama graduate a ono no wakotua wholesale fee abodin ne ma me ne papa asem fifiri ahwe no o wie school aso be man 700 cedis ay insulting
yeah
and ye come apostle Safo and ye so de bia wunwuma mu anti ko ontua o muka more than that so how ye di esika ye enti ye ko ye nim no enye sua hunu eno no na akoye se mate se communication minister on DSTV ko wenya ko wo ya mo fasika mo de mo share kutupa ye ba be te rival company wo hanu mo a ebo no wo fuma be yi La Liga be yi Premiership be yi na sika na ba you see every problem is an opportunity
yes
and then ko mo de mo me share kutupa na mo nteto no so mae na ye ne enso embe establish unya any special talent say obekwa akọje franchise we dia ba krom ha ye ba ya be bi office wa so om de say DSTV ye dia be GSTV na egu ha na afi ye ton ye friend say the coders here across the country na afi obi na we kura no de opament ni we empower GTV empower them minister don't fight with them it's a liberal economy Nama Ghana for no get your friends say access to capital on bet you the franchise.
Say South African company.
South Africa look.
Yes, you NTB.
So is okay here Canal France near Yom Tons are right.
Yeah.
ESPN. Omu you bet me at Tomo. Yes, so common in Europe say. I don't know why I say a chroma bibia a novelty.
Tien to mean koto.
Yes, so simple.
DSTV the omu ya a premiership.
And
he said, no, Ghana for painting and a body.
Yes, so simple.
GTV's Ghana or Monko Toby.
Uncle Toby. Let you see decoder and no crab diverting minds to GTV. Then as a minor where you should propagate the national agenda.
Yes.
Where are the new become? Every misfortune is a blessing.
Yeah.
Your chroma campaign about could be by along along the way normally DSTV arrive. I'm refuse mudi
gateway and now.
GBB, you're from Uji. Very good. I was not from Nigeria or something.
Gateway broadcasting.
Yes. Yeah. Missing of what to omo decoder na a year subscription, even a year advance.
Yeah.
After DSTV before who say na competition a day. Emwa day. Yeah, who dear yeah and go for so film. And it is an you opportunity. Yeah, you know Hosan, you be
fantastic. Kwagu, yes, I buying. Eba aban ko mo anhyeda mo apostle Safo bia na no kra de ono ane ba no meti na mera ho adwo Safo se ne papa abra ono wo aban mu kra na ode ne ba sese boa aban ye twa mu yi no omo di ne buga bia eye ne yapa chese papa ne dem amwo no omo ko bubu ne bus terminal
asase a odidi so kakra ne ade ko bubu ni nyina go fa asase so da ho
politicians muti modin o
na apostle babia owobia enanyame emfa ne kransie
amen
say nyame de che o my Ghana na ya hu so fe tamo apostle Safo television a ye boy ensam na dum na so ne ade na artificial intelligence
na mai
and now share the world richest man Larry Ellison AI founder of Oracle AI na man I should to have sign Elon Musk. You understand?
Yes.
That's time apostle yes man AI no more my so that's here but ya tunu ajejemu and I was say yeah government policy send automobile or chassis the buy any idea and ministry bia and agency bia they on top ebi use me kai the late vice president Amisata
yes
I know not a use Apostle Safo Ekas in be. And actually, Mr. White. Mr. White is
Mayo Clinic.
Mayo Clinic. And also, ever talk about could be the name Croman and then camouflage. And all the year. But we share Apostle name Manan Kasa. I do ask for your MP. Oh, you should less. You answer, oh, papa, ye car, Kantaka. And can you be now be you soon? Obey your trademark.
I'm a man for your GD.
I'm a man for your GD or money. I don't know. Coupons. No, the Aida can see when it. Now, now, son, a TikTok. Are you a TikTok? Now, it's a lazy money. Better than a mimi, yes, car, Makoto Kantaka. Because one, a ban on office, and yet you are not using it. You are not promoting your father's vehicle. So, that thing say, Uko a year. Nancy, my favorite phone, Apple. Oma launch here. Upi oye juma Apple be you use Apple phone.
Of course.
Uti me nye juma Apple nanko use Samsung. It's not allowed. So that's it. It's there na papa nyamia shena no nyam saying the great inventor of our time, engineer Apostle Kwadwo Safo. Ono otimi di adwe eyi metal the engine block e di sika mu maneko.
Yes.
We nyina na ne ma mo be promote na adwuma no ne ade na mo use different brands encourage amanfo emo mo meto mo papa na yi na sene nyame ehira Apostle apart from say o yes anema yo san kuayo Apostle timi do aburo na me offer biko Kristo Safo
on turn da mama koti boto
o dia ya pon o ga dia nko ada na program
I was there for William I was there for Willie Bibi me first Yamisha o na me say hwe this for ho as I had inject omo because opia wunya wura party mo as inject o community me koso sa and this ri wo dia ho maso no kon wo hangele pa was a Yesu wo kunu no was a Yesu wa jimia wo jokra no ojunso gunu was a Yesu chese me wu party akowura mu a se ya na ma obodu o se wo ye de yo enu tu kowura mu anu wajimi hwe program wo ye wo kotu site nse kwa na kohwe wasese eye jandam chese won dan se ase emo be kwa no mo wajimi wo dwan nsu oto na wo gya na wo pam no wo twe na wo se menko wo twe na sa na ndisi ni ayo wo mo wajimi sa he to mama hu ade bia wo ka ye bia no ebe ka bebe se 2 weeks as 3 weeks ami abeto abano oso ka se mi se obeto mbeso ne ya ton Ghana ai se no na wo ye no sa Ghana ton no eno na wo ye no eti jo mama so obenya sika na Ghana mu bewuo wondwene ho anya na wodwen sesi o ono sesei sa 4 billionaire na yede na ato ewo ayi no Ghana eno ene ya so oda 4 Ghana no ene ya se oda 4 no onia Ibrahim ede ene ya enu nti obenya na nka ono na ye first billionaire ewo Ghana eti ade a wo ye ho adwuma no no jo mama ese ne ba shalifu nya adwuma da eso ne ba no was $7 billion ewo na council me say NPP for pa na kwa bibusa say ye befa he na aba ye befa o ma me ba bia oyi mframa fa na ode wo fa ho e ho ne ye befa aba na bia kwa na lo wase oro obusa wase ye fa he na aba aha eti wo za kwa na aka asa no o ma me ba bia ne sen ko wo fa no wa ho afo wo fa ni trum kwase ampani nti wo ne ye befa aba asia wa jimi sa busa question eto asumu na NDC for kwa ni enim se ewini 1 million for ni enim se omu party negu na so antimi enwo ma mati na ba be wini 1.7 asia mo kwa mati ase
o de wie wa asa woni
yes onim
do me sempo
ewi aso o yeah say I say NDC for hu wo de hwe o Felix wonya wura party ni mu a Jiminti no wo botai kura mfata bahu ya mesi NPP NDC for Jimi sa mo mo ese Kofi Addo wo de we Kofi Kofi Addo dia se Canada Japan ya no. Kofi Addo Jimmy we say ebia na no a. Nabi Kofi Addo wuti asema wa beka se oja asori dem o. Oja asori dem ni afiri mu se ye kwani. Sa ayi obayo se obaje se obawo anwan akwa aba no. Wonu so gira ho se edi asantefo atem. Kofi Addo ti se nsuo ba de ti se nne fere se aye program for Kofi Addo. Emetuma betwa aboni. Enti do mama say the catch on say ada say ube declare emergency na ya shase say Ghana ye nyina ye kan bom na ye de aye by say emergency so u declare message do mama hu hia moja dodo hwe de wan kokun Ghana ni bia because wo de nya declare say emergency a wo de be fa ho asa kum nipa because wo ti we what the car be shin krofo nwotwe what the car be ku omo ama omo ye de omo she bottom. Because your mama, because you are a bottle, you put human being into bottle, equals to bottle. Into your mama, as I say, no, your bottle, what in perform what is a bottom and a done a bottle. Into your mama, when you know, now your bottle plus bottle equals to me a bottle, and no, the day, your friends say, what the who could so one or what you know. None of you say, a boy, I mentioned that one, no, one can take it on numb for me. So, Wem na yiri fi odawa na yiri ti ye wem bia ba ho wem bia but odi ko som so odi ko to dawa wo twe se na ni kura japade se na ekote e na bo hodum sa abusiafo se ya graduate free ayi honum because o ka che o che hiri se na nu kankan se opuro and yeso ya graduate free akwa ayi amatela ho enti yeso se jo ma ama kote anu boto kan ehun suo kan aboto bibra pro esi baabie eje abusiafo me say your mama me wo Birmingham ma me ma direction na wo di IP na timi abetre se nde wo mre me ma direction no aba ai ndc fo nyina me ka twoboi mo se ye moa ndc fo twoboi ye moa twoboi no ma so ye moa twoboi wo ase
ya na mo no ene ma mo
wo ase kankan
one it is possible and then say any do now no fine boy mu ji na say na ma shada asema no say
let's me try beat mu pa beat ni mra woni di ke mu pa beat ma ne fanto nyum no so
de ama be ya fanto sa nyum no so mo watch ma mo na ma say plan na ma so mo be say ma
e be ba beto album
yesi heni
ma ba beto album na here ne ba beto album
Trumu ho
Odia segana
mama
Shualege, mama shualege, mama shualege. As I say,
nene dia asem kure nene dia asem